There are a group of vehicles on the island of Sodor, nicknamed the Pack. Alfie and Ned, and Max and Monty. They were going to renovate the Sodor Museum. Alright, gang, this is our big day. Are y'all ready to renovate the museum? Yeah. Well then, let's get to work. They worked, and worked. Ned was picking up some dirt very close to the museum. A little bit over there. And he hit the museum. Oh no. What did you do down there? I don't know. I was trying to get some dirt and I accidentally hit the beam. And oh no, the museum's collapsing. Oh god, we're gonna die and I'm gonna get fired. And oh. What? Rusty went too far down the slope and crashed in the museum. Oh, my wheels. Oh god, there. And that should be the last of it. Hey, does anything look off about the museum? Hey, why does the... better not question it, not go with scaffolding. Yeah, Max, something does look off with the museum. No. Then, the side of the museum, the primary entrance for navigations to get in, lifted up, and now navigations could get in. Or out. You alright, gang? It looks like we're gonna have to do a little more work. Eventually, the entrance went back down. Now, Ned, you promise me you won't do it ever again. You won't dig near any buildings, you hear me? Yes, sir.